Hello, this is Ashton with Remax. I'm looking at one of the properties that is in the market in Mississauga. I'm walking through this house with the eye of the buyers, taking a look at the house. One of the first thing I notice is the front yard is not trimmed, it's not cleaned up. You see all the weeds coming up here, and I know it's not important, but for the buyers, they buy with their eyes, so it's important to take care of the front of the house and present it properly from the curb appeal that we have from outside. I'm looking at the edge of the windows here. I would suggest someone to paint this window before they put the house on the market for sale. Now let's go walking to the house on the main floor and I'm pointing out to you the things that I see as a buyer. Now I'm walking to the house. I would prefer a pleasant, nice work on the wall. For the a fresh coat of paint would do it. And then what is usually missing in this house is staging. It's like a buyer like to see how they would be in this house, and this house is nothing to really present, and the buyer should really think hard to see how they can put things in this house, and believe me, they won't be able to always see that. Now let's walk into the kitchen. Again, staging is missing. It would be great if the buyer could see where they can sit here in the kitchen area for, let's say, breakfast. The window, is there anything missing, you think? Of course, the curtain is missing here. So all of this would make a house a home, and that's exactly what you need. Now, it wouldn't hurt to put a clock on the wall. Just give some flavor. Now here we have laundry sitting here, which is okay. You can always close it. Now, what's the problem here? The fridge. What's happened there? There's a gap here. Wouldn't it be nicer to put stainless steel fridge here that will fill up that gap and also go with the rest of the appliances we have here? Look, stainless steel, a white shorter version of fridge sitting here, as well as the microwave. The countertop is okay. As I said, is missing a component would make a home, a nice home here. The curtain is still missing here. If it was a stage home, we would have put something on the counter to give that feeling. Now let's walk into the dining area. Now, the first thing you're going to see, wow, the backyard. Take a look at it. I wish someone would clean up the backyard, put a nice barbecue or patio furniture there, make the backyard more pleasant, maybe a fresh coat of stain on the fence, and trim and clean up the backyard. It doesn't look, and this is devaluing a property. I would definitely furnish this place, stage it, and make it very nice. A more up-to-date version of the coat paint on the wall would help. Right now it's a little bit light blue, which is old-fashioned. Someone could have nicely organized the curtain we have here and just properly taking care of this house. And I'm sure people could see more value to this house, and the house would not stay in the market for a very long time. It would sell very fast because people can relate to this house. They walk into the house, say, beautiful, I'd like to stay here. And that's what they have to do. Now, do you want to go upstairs, take a look at it? It's very original, it's very outdated. Now, the lighting here, a pot light would help. There's no pot light here. Again, it's not a stage, so it's just a bare house sitting here. Doesn't do much, so people cannot really relate to this kind of home. Very average house. And if you come and take a look at through the window, look at outside, there is a highway passing by, and that's it. Okay, you don't like it, but The backyard again, you can see the neighbors. So I wish this house would have been staged. If it was a house that I'm selling, I would definitely stage this house. I recommend a fresh coat of paint to the seller, to the owner. If he had the freedom to put some pot lights here, give it a little bit of modern looking home. So it's something that it is with the market trend, and that would help to sell this house much faster. As you can see, tons of agents came to see this house, and all the business cards there. None of them bought the house. So all you need is one good buyer, come with their agent and buy this house that the owner should have looked into things that needs to be improved. And actually many owners, they listen to the advice of the real estate agent. So this is my recommendation for this house, and I hope you enjoy it.